Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful AI Islamic video from AI images and voice to full editing using free tools like CapCut, Gemini AI, and others. It's perfect for reminders, quotes, or short Duaa videos. So first you can just go to Google Gemini or Nano Banana to generate AI Islamic images. You can use prompt like this: a peaceful mosque under golden sunset, cinematic lighting, realistic 4K. I'm going to generate ask Gemini to generate 5 images of this one. You can hit on enter. And after the image is done, you can download 3 to 5 generated images. So just click on download in here to download all of these images. And the next steps, you can just create AI voice and also do the video editing. Here I'm going to just use CapCut PC. So you can just tap on new project and just import your AI images into CapCut. So click on this import button and choose the 3 images. Now you can add it into the timeline. Then you can add self zoom in or out animations to each image. I'm going to set the durations to only 3 seconds for each images. Like this, and then let's add a zoom in effects. So I'm going to use keyframes in here on the transform. Let's add the end, then just zoom in the clip. So just scale like this, so it will have a zoom in effect. And on the second one, I'm going to use the zoom out. Add a keyframes in here. Now just zoom in on the first keyframe. So the image will go like this. It will zoom in and then out. And the next step, you can add your AI voice. So here I'm going to just go to audio, and then we can also just use the AI dialogue scenes in here. You can upload a character first and then you can write the dialogue, or you can also just use the let's say I'm going to add captions in here, or just write. Let's go to text and add the script. So I'm going to add a short quote or ayah from the Quran in here, and I'm going to make it text to speech. So you can just go with this, and now click on the text in here and go to the text to speech, then just choose the voice. So for example, I'm going to use, let's try this one.
Indeed, with heartfelt.
So just choose the kind of voice that you want. Okay, I think I'm going to just use this. Let's see. Let's use the narrative female. Okay, I'm going to just use this one in here. You can click on generate speech. And now you can delete the text. So this will be the preview. And And the next step that you can do is add background music if you want to. You can go to audio and import copyright-free music and lower the music volume to balance the voice. And for finishing touches, you can add a logo, text watermark, or your channel name. And you can use motion blur or softening for polish. Now export the video in 1080p or 4K. So it's ready for YouTube Shorts or Reels. So that's how you can create a meaningful AI Islamic video that touches hearts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye!